he has to stay here until Madrid will become reasonable. He wants to be president. That's very important. That's the main goal. But he cannot be in prison as president because he cannot work as president in prison. It's impossible. That's his decision. He has the choice. If he goes back to Spain, maybe he will be arrested as long as there is a warrant. He can decide to be arrested, or he can decide to be not arrested. But I think he hope that this warrant will be retired, that they will annulate this European warrant. I think that he hopes so, and it's annulated. He can come back, but I think he hopes that it will be annulated. He has not been condemned, that he is prosecuted, and as long as he is prosecuted and not condemned, he is innocent. There is no legal base for refuse his investiture as president. He will speak to the parliament with Skype, for example, or by a written declaration. But I think it's the first time that the situation is there in the parliament, that the president is in another country, that he cannot come, and if the parliament decides to say that he is the president and the prime minister, I think it's completely legal. He has the possibility to speak to the parliament. He has been elected. He is candidate. It's a democracy. In a democracy, the elected people can go to the parliament. It's not democratic. It's against the parliamentary democracy. He has the right to stay in Belgium, the full right to stay in Belgium. He has no obligation to go to Spain because there is a national warrant there. That don't means that he has an obligation to go to Spain. He has fullness of right because he has been elected. The Spanish justice is independent. They are independent, but they have their own opinions. And they use a European warrant to do politics. They have their own opinion, and maybe they are not influenced by the ministers or by other politicians, but they have their own opinion. When I read the last judgment of 22 January, I read a political judgment, and it's an independent judge who makes a political judgment. If a judge cannot put his own political opinions, and a prosecutor cannot put his own political opinions aside, he is independent but not objective. That's a political judgment. It's a strategy of a judge. Political strategy of a judge, of an independent judge. You don't refuse to arrest somebody to make that he has no strategy. That's impossible in Belgium. It's very simple. I was very shocked that in Europe, that's possible that 8 ministers are in prison. It's very shocking. If it has happened in Turkey or in Poland, Europe will be too small to protest. It's in Spain, and nobody is protesting. That's shocking for Europe. That's shocking for Spain. If it was Poland, then they have to decide that Poland will be punished because the democracy is in danger. If it's Hungary, they don't intervene. What is the reason why they don't intervene in Spain and they intervene in Poland? It's very simple. In Poland, it's not European Party Christian Democrats who are on the power. In Hungary and in Spain, it's the European Party of Christian Democrats who are on the power. I think it's too early for the moment to go to Strasbourg because you can follow the way in the Spanish courts.